Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video I'm going to be talking all about one and done shadows. One of you actually recommended this, so thank you for the recommendation because I was running out of ideas. I'm really excited for this because I wear one and dones all the time, so I hope you enjoy, and if you're new here I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already, and let's get into it. Let's begin by talking about what's on my eyes currently. I love these shadows so much. I fell in love actually this year with them, and I discovered them this year as well, and it is Clionadh Cosmetics, and this is the shade Archway. But I just want to shout out their entire brand and all of their eyeshadows, but specifically their multi-chrome shadows, which is what I'm wearing today, because they are so dimensional on the eyes. You just get a ton of different color shifts. Your eyes look different in different lighting, and depending on like how you're turning, they look different. I just think they're so magical. Like, these shadows are so magical. I also get the most questions about these when I wear them, especially on my TikTok. Like, if there's a beautiful sparkly shadow that looks very dimensional and like multi-chrome, it's most likely this one. But I love so many of them, and I don't have like one specific shade that I would recommend. I only have 9 right now, but I definitely need to increase my collection. And honestly, when I wear these, I just like stare at myself because my eyes are so mesmerizing, and they just have incredible shadows. So I would definitely check them out. If you do, I do have a code with them. It is just Rainier, and you'll get some money off of that purchase. So yeah, if you do, use my code and save some money. I wanted to make this my #1 because it's like my most complimented, and I think the best like multi-dimensional one and done shadow that you'll get so many compliments on, and you won't be able to stop staring at yourself. So that is #1. The next 4 are very similar. So I have a type, and when I do, I buy multiple of them. So these are all kind of like the same but a little bit different. The first is the matte fluid eye paint from About Face. This is in the shade Cloned, and this is kind of like a warm brown, and I love this shadow so much because I have brown eyes, and this just like really brings out the brown warmth in my eyes, and I love it for one and done. They're so easy to blend. I love that they're like more affordable, and I really like this packaging because it's really easy to pack, it's really easy to use. I'll just dab some on my lid and blend it out with a brush, or I'll blend it out with my finger if I'm like rushing or don't feel like grabbing a brush. But these are very well loved by me, and I was wearing them like non-stop for a couple months, and I love them so much. They have so many colors as well. I really like the matte ones. It doesn't have a ton of dimension, but just like blended all over your eye, it just looks really pretty. So those are my favorite, but they do have like sparkly ones as well. And then I also love this brown shade. Okay, so this is like a warm brown, and this one's like a cool brown, so they're different, and this one gives me a different vibe. I feel like this is something I would wear more towards like the winter time. This is in the shade Weightless, and similar to the other shade that I talked about, I just feel like this brings out my eyes, and it's quick and easy. So these are the 2 that I wear the most, Cloned and Weightless, and I just think they're really beautiful, amazing liquid matte eyeshadows. On that same vein, because I said these 4 are very similar but different, this is the Half Magic Beauty eyeshadow in the shade Brownie, Magic Brownie, and this is very similar to this, and it's just like a warm brown, chocolatey, delicious one and done matte eyeshadow. This one is a little bit more red leaning than the other one that I was talking about, and that's why I like it, because I feel like this one, when it's like sunny out, really brings out my eyes. And I don't know, I just love this shade so much, and I love different variations of this shade, and this is very easy to use, blends out so amazingly, and yeah, I love it. I also love their glitter puck. I thought about putting that in this video, but I was wondering if you all want like a just wet eyeshadow, like my favorite wet eyeshadows or my favorite like sparkly eyeshadows, because often I will pair my sparkly eyeshadows with honestly like one of my matte one and dones or some other like eyeshadow look underneath, and then pop the sparkly ones on top. So let me know if you want that. I have a handful of like wet sparkly looking shadows that I wear all the time as well, and I'd love to share that, so let me know. But moving on. Okay, this is the last one that's like very similar but different to the other ones that I just talked about. But I love this one so much and I wanted this for such a long time. This is the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in the shade Cinnamon. So it's like that warm reddish brown that really brings out the warmth in my eyes. I think it looks so pretty all over the eye and on the bottom lash line as well. I'll take all of these and put them on my lower lash line and just like have kind of like a warm smoky eye with just one shadow. And it's so pretty. These are so easy to use and pack. You just kind of draw it on and then blend it out with a brush. And I will say that with all of these, a little bit does go a long way. So I would start small and then like add more as you need it instead of putting like a ton on, because I've done that before and it just is a lot all over your eye all at once. So yeah, just dab a little bit on there or draw a little bit on there and then blend it out and then you'll be good. I think these are like my most worn and actual singular shadows, but I love these so much. I love these tones. I think if you're a similar skin tone to me and eye color to me, you would really like these as well, because they're just like very complementary to us. Another one that is not a single shadow but I wear all the time is the Kaja Bento. This is in the shade Velvet Dream. This is a matte trio and I wear this middle shade a ton, but I also wear this bottom shade a ton as well. And I really like all the other shadows, to take this shadow and put it all over my eye and then really intensify my lower lash line with it. And I think it's just so pretty and like effortless, and I love this for vacation, especially like date night on vacation. Love it so much. And this paired with one of my like wet sparkly eyeshadows that I love, beautiful. But alone, I also really love it. I only have 2 left, shockingly. I thought I'd have more. And then 2 honorable mentions, but this next one is so pretty. This is the Colourpop eyeshadow in a little Quarky, and I specifically remember wearing this and my friend said that she loved it and then she ended up buying it like the day after or that same day, I can't remember, but she also loves it. And she is like a very simple gal when it comes to her makeup, so this is like the perfect thing for her. It is so pretty, also very like captivating. It looks wet on the eye, but it also has a lot of dimension to it, so it kind of looks like you put a deeper shade in your crease and then blended it out. That's very similar to the Clionadh shadows, because these look like you've put multiple shades on your eyes, but really you just have this one product because it is multi-chrome. And I feel like a little Quarky is very similar to that, and it's just so quick and easy to use. Perfect again for traveling because it's just this one product, and love layering this with other ones, but it's so beautiful on its own too, and it's really affordable because it's Colourpop. So yeah, this is stunning. So well worn and well loved in my collection. Last but definitely not least is Phytosurgence. You knew I had to mention them. I love their shadows so much. They have a ton of just potted single eyeshadows. That's all they have when it comes to eyeshadows, and they have so many that are like very multi-dimensional, and they have this sparkle that kind of like twinkles when you turn your head, but then the like base shade really defines the eye and contours the eye. It's just so stunning. I love so many of them, but I think my favorites are Crystal Constellation, Ancient Acres, Defiant Dahlia, and Astral Atmosphere. Those are so pretty, very multi-dimensional. I think they look really pretty on my skin tone and with my eye color, and it's just so easy to just sweep it all over the lid and you get like a very what looks like intricate eye look, but it's just one little product, and they last all day long. They do not crease whatsoever. I actually want to go back and talk about the other ones regarding creasing. Clionadh shadows, they do crease. I would recommend using a eyeshadow primer, and I would also recommend either doing your eyes first or having like tape available to take off the fallout, because it does have very minimal fallout, but it does sometimes have fallout. So I think it's worth it because they're so stunning, but I just wanted to mention that. And then these ones, all of the matte shadows that I talked about, all of these do really, really well on my lids. They dry really quickly as well. I forgot to mention that too, but these dry quickly. So start small and do one eye at a time and blend right away because they do dry relatively quickly. So with these, just make sure to do that. These do not crease on me. And then the Colourpop one, it does crease on me, unfortunately. I would recommend a primer. A primer will make it last all day long, but it doesn't crease that bad. And if it does, you can kind of just like tap it out. You can do that with all of these, but I just wanted to let you know how the creasing works on my eyes. Kaja, of course, is just like a matte powder shadow, so I don't know. Matte shadows don't really crease on me. That one doesn't ever crease on me, and I never need a primer. And I know that's depending on like your eyes as well, if you have like oilier eyes or something, but that's how my eyes work, and I hope that's helpful. Coming back to the Phytosurgence shadows, sorry that was like all over the place. These are so pretty. I love them. They're easy to use, and I think they are some of the best one and done shadows on the market, and they do not crease on me. And these last forever on the eyes as well, so they're incredible. And then my two honorable mentions, I had to mention the Kulfi shadows. These are the Zari Eyes eyeshadows, and they're kind of like a putty wet shadow, and a little bit goes a long way with these, and I just think that they're a really quick and easy all over eyeshadow, and I think a lot of people would really like these, but I don't wear them a lot personally. Like, I don't reach for them often, but I can see a lot of people liking them, and they kind of fit in the same realm of these other products. And of course I had to mention the Hourglass Scattered Light eyeshadows. These are so pretty. They are definitely one and done for me. I have not worn this a lot. That's why it's an honorable mention, because if you watched my YSL video, I talked about how it's really hard for me to use my really nice makeup and my expensive makeup. So I haven't worn this a lot, but this coming year I will be really good about using all of my expensive makeup and like enjoying the things that I have. But anyway, this is like so pretty. It's very creamy. It also really reminds me of the Colourpop formula because it's like this creamy pressed shadow that's quite delicate. So it has like a cap on it to keep it all pressed together, but it's like a very cushiony, creamy shadow. This is definitely the one that I would splurge on because it's so pretty. And this one does crease on me as well, so I would definitely use a primer with this. Those were all of my favorite and most worn one and done eyeshadows, as well as a couple of honorable mentions. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know what your favorite one and done eyeshadow is. I would love to know. Please let me know if we share any of the same favorites. I would love to chat about that in the comments. I hope you're having a good day wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!